So the library is closed today, which means that I'm gonna have nothing to do for a couple of hours. But there was kind of a display of like model trains and stuff. I took a quick look at that, but the guy didn't. I filmed a little bit, and then I shut the camera off, and then I was gonna film some more, and the guy asked me not to. So I'm a little angry about that. It's kind of like it's a private kind of like club like thing, I guess, but it was also kind of open to the public too. So it's kind of like, you should expect that on some level, that people are gonna want to, I don't know. But it was pretty cool. I mean, part of me is like, you're a grown man, but then I'm like, well, wait a minute, I'm a grown man who's like majorly into Pokemon and video games and shit like that too. But so, like, I shouldn't judge, but part of me, like that caveman part of my brain, kind of wants to make fun of him. But then I realized, don't throw, people in glass houses, Rob, So, I'm probably going to upload those videos separately, and like I'm not going to wait to upload them. Or I don't know, like, I keep wondering if it's like worth the time and energy of like scheduling the videos and then like waiting for them to be public. I don't know. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I think that I am going to go downtown and waste time downtown. Like, I wish I wish the library was fucking open, and I wish that, like, I never stop and think and go, okay, maybe I need to research to find out if, I didn't even think if the library was going to be open, because it's supposed to be open. It's a fucking Friday. Just randomly fucking, what am I going to do? So, I'm fucking hungry. I'm thirsty. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she's so thirsty. Try to jerk me. So, whatever. Yeah, so. All of my trolls are one fucking person, I guess. So, anyways, puppy dog. So yeah, I'm kind of pissed off that the library is closed right now. Anyways, I think the first video I shot I will schedule, just because of some of the stuff I said in it. I'm not ready for that to be public yet. So these ones I don't know though. I don't know. So anyways, goodbye, motherfucker.